Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be trying out this little fella right here. Now, I've tried out another product that made claims like this, and it was a complete flop. I will try to link that video down below, see if I can find it, and pull it out of the archives and let you see it. But it was a complete flop. Spoiler alert. So this one is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. So obviously, as I just told you, the last universal brow pencil that I used was a flop. It kind of turned a brownie auburn shade on me, and as you can see here, I have very light brown to dark, dirty blonde brows. I don't have the best brows, they're just kind of there doing their thing. So I figured, why not make a super short but interesting video on checking the claims of this product. So I got this product in a BoxyCharm. I'm assuming most of you know what BoxyCharm is by now. So this is the $1 Billion Brow Universal Brow Pencil. It says, especially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes it easy for blending, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it says it's $18, so we shall see. So, okay, so it says it's formulated for most skin types. I'm assuming this will fit my color, but we shall see. So, without taking too much of your time, I figured let's just dive into it. Are you ready? Okay. So I have spoolied my brows up. This is typically what I do. Now for this tutorial, I'm only going to be using this product right here. Normally for my brows, I use a handful of products because I've just had such a horrible brow time as of late. So for this video, for the sake of the video, I'm only going to be using this product. So let's pop it off. Okay. Ooh. Alright, so it's a twist up. I hope I didn't just ruin it. So you just twist it up. Let's just begin. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. I don't know where to start. Okay. Okay, first thought is this is super creamy, super duper creamy formula. So I kind of lift my brow up. Oh boy, that looks like it's turning dark. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, well, let's spoolie out what we got. You know, let's just spoolie this out here. Oh, nice. Stiff spoolie. It's not flimsy or anything like some other products that I've tried where the spoolie is just kind of pointless. Okay. Okay, let's just keep going here. Oh, okay. See, that's not cool. So as I'm trying to do hair-like motions up here at the front, oh boy, it's not turning out very good. It's turning the pencil and it's actually bringing the product back down, so that's not cool. I'm gonna have to literally hold it to keep that from happening. Oh boy. Well, that didn't turn out quite like I wanted. Oh, these are gonna be some blocky brows. Oh boy. Oh gosh, okay. Well, gosh, it just keeps spooling turning itself back into the thing. Oh boy. Okay. Aside from the mechanics of the pencil, it's not the worst thing I've ever seen. Yikes. This turned into a caterpillar real quick. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, well, let me clean up this brow here really quick. Yeah, okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the other brow, clean up this one, and then I will come back to you with my final thoughts. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, hang on. You should be quiet, thank you. Okay. Yikes. Well, she's looked worse, I guess. Okay, so I've finished up the brows. I'll be for real. Not the worst I've ever used. I did there at the end, I don't have the brush with me, but I took one of the little Anastasia brushes, the brow brushes, and I kind of wiped some off of the tip here, and I used it to create the tail because there was no way I was creating a thin, slim tail with this pencil thing. There was just no way. It was impossible. It's a little messy. It did kind of get everywhere. That's super creamy formula, which is great for blending, but it also blends on top of everything else. So that's not good. So I would probably give this product maybe like a 6 out of 10. It was decently easy to use for the most part. Kind of messy. The color honestly is not that bad. I think on me it kind of turned a little bit of a deeper brown, but for me and like my hair color and all that nonsense, like, oh god, it looks awful right now because it's filthy dirty, but it doesn't look horrible as far as a match goes, so I'm really not too upset by that. I probably would never use this product alone by itself again like I did just for this review right here. I don't know why I'm flailing that thing around like it's a wand, but I'd probably never use it again just by itself. I'd probably use it in conjunction with my other products because it's honestly not a terrible product. It could use a little bit of tweaking to make it a little bit closer to a 10 out of 10, but for what it is, for the price that you pay, for $18, for the price that you pay, that's a little steep. That's a little steep for a product that's a little difficult to work with, may or may not reach your best shade. I mean, this is definitely not my best shade, but it's not a horrible shade. So $18 is a little steep. I definitely wouldn't go out and purchase this myself. That's just not happening, sister. But since it was basically given to me in this boxy charm, I only paid $21 for that, and I got 5 other things, including this. So I guess I'll keep it and use it, because like I said, it's really not horrible. 6 out of 10 really isn't that bad. So yeah, those are my final thoughts on the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it interesting and informative and gave you a little bit of an insight on a product that just may or may not have been too good to be true. I don't have on my like false lashes and I feel nude, so I gotta go. Thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Do not forget to give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time that I upload. And I think that covers it all. So, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.